Today's Fudgy Brownies have nutritious ingredients with fiber and protein, but they taste like a delicious dessert. I know, brownies and good for you don't always go hand in hand, so stay tuned to check these out. Believe it or not, these brownies have just 3 ingredients and they're the perfect way to add more fiber and vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all great for bone health, into our diet. For today's video, I've partnered with Sunsweet, one of my longtime partners, to bring you this delicious recipe. And I know that you and your family will love it. We're pretty obsessed with prunes at my house, and this recipe is always a winner with the kids. The first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven and lightly grease a mini muffin pan, which my kitchen assistant today is going to help us do. In our food processor, we're going to add the Sunsweet prunes, the nut butter, and cocoa powder. It already looks rich and chocolatey, and this is one mixture you can let your kids lick the spatula. With a cookie scooper, my assistant here is going to fill each of these mini muffin cups with the brownie mixture. I should add that these can easily be made nut-free simply by swapping out the nut butter with a nut-free alternative. With your hands or the back of the spoon, you'll want to press them down and set in place. Let's bake these for 12 to 15 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Once they're out of the oven, try to wait until these are fully cooled down so they set. I love adding a few of these gooey bites inside my kids' lunchbox as a nutritious treat. And as you can see, without any added sugars, this is one treat I can feel really good about giving my kids, okay, and me. There are many reasons to eat right, and for me, my family inspires me to do so every day, so I have more energy to stay healthy and to watch them grow. From time to time, we all need a little treat, and these are so easy to make and they're delicious. For the measurements, click on the description box right below this video. If you love this recipe and want more, browse to our YouTube channel and subscribe. A new video comes out every single week.